A warmest greeting to all. Today, we are here to present our project from the FT 50114 Integrated Project. Before that, we would like to introduce our supervisor and our team members. Our supervisor is Puan Siti Zarida binti Syed Nurdin, and my name is Kavina Sivaguru, and my metric number is 01DDT20F2063.
My name is Chong Hu, and my metric number is 01DDT20F2065.
My name is Nurfati Najjar binti Ruzaimi, and my matrix number is 01DDT20F2073.
Okay, our project title is Digital Watermarking to Hide Text Messages. Next slide. So let's move on to the introduction. Digital watermarking is the act of hiding a message related to a digital signal. Therefore, we plan to upgrade, feature, and extend the user and system scope of CL steganography, a software that can hide text messages via 3D image using digital watermarking method. The latest version of CL steganography 2.0 can hide text messages via image in 3D form, in contrast to the previous version, which can only do it in 2D. Next, move on to the problem statement. The first is the growing need for the protection of digital media. The second is not protecting sensitive data appropriate to its value. The last one is not being sure what is reasonable protection for different types of data. Next. So this is our project objective for our project. The first one is to protect the confidentiality of project data stored on computer system or transmit over the internet or any other computer network. The second one is prevent unauthorized third parties or treat actors from accessing the data. The last one is transmit data information securely. So now for the scope, we have two, which is user scope and system scope. For user scope, we use for public figure, and for system scope, assist someone to hide text messages or more likely a data or information. The next is convert text messages into 3D image form. Next, I'll pass it to my next presenter to present in more details about our project.
Thank you, Kavina. So the project significant. The importance of this project is so that the highlighted group of people, as mentioned above, can use this software with the right purpose and objective, as it can hide messages via image, but the improvement part is to be in 3D form without the knowledge of outsiders who do not have a private key. In addition, it also increasing the integrity of data by using encryption and decryption methods in the software, which is also free to use. The literature review. As you can see here, this is the comparison between our project and the existing project, which is geosteganography and Stackalyzer AS. For the techniques and algorithms, our project used the same techniques and algorithm as the geosteganography. So the steganography tools used by Stackalyzer AS is OpenPath and Steganography Studio. For the operating system that can be used for geosteganography is only Windows 98 and prior version. And for geosteganography 2.0, Windows, and also same as Stackalyzer AS. For storage and file format, geosteganography using BMP image format and WAV file. As for our project, we are using the same file format, and in addition for OBJ file format. For the language that available for the three of the project of the products is in English. So the methodology that we are using for our project is Agile methodology. Plan. Agile planning is all about understanding how long it's going to take to perform a specific task and to execute an overall project. In order to do this, it takes a project and breaks it down into sprints that represent a total of approximately 14 weeks worth of work. Design. Software developers design a technical solution to the problem set up by the product requirements. First, a higher level or logical design is created that describes the purpose and scope of the project, the general traffic flow of each component, and the integration points. Develop. After planning, teams can start building the first iteration of the software. The development phase includes all related production tasks such as UX or UI, design, architecting, and coding. Developing the first iteration of a software product is often the longest stage of the agile application development lifecycle. Testing. Before we are using before the software can be released to the customers, testing needs to be done to ensure the software has no errors and all of the requirements have been completed, ensuring a good user experience with the software. Next, I'll pass to my next member.
Thank you, Fatin. Next, I want to talking about the release. Once the software has been tested, the product is almost ready for release. But first, the quality assurance team need to perform some tests to ensure the software is fully functional. This agile team member will test the system to ensure the code is clean. If potential bugs or defects are detected, the developer will address them swiftly. Next is feedback. After the software releases, user will provide feedback on it after using it. Next, this is the example of the referencer. Next, I want to talk about the Gantt chart. The week 1, we do the brainstorming, and the week 2 and week 3, we do the feasibility analysis. Week 4 and week 5, we doing the design of the product. Week 6 to week 8, we do the programming system of the coding, about the coding. Week 9 to week 11, we do the integration. Week 12 to week 13, we do the quality assurance. And the week 14, we do the releases. Next is cost planning. First, we use the Jira project management software. It is free, and Zoho created coding tools. It also free for 15 days. And next, we use the Vera Crypt stenography tools. It also free. Total cost is no cost required. Next, I want to talking about the conclusion. Nowadays, there are many software that have been delivered by successful programmers with their respective software advantage. There are play and not pay software, as well as our software can help many people and can even be used for free. We hope this software can benefit the people that need this kind of software. And it is hoped that all shortcomings and weakness of this software can be reported to use so that we can improve the software to a better version. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.